Okay, this is for the problem set 1.1 and 1.2, just in one video. For the first coding problem, it's asking to uh, count the number of vowels in a set string. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with listing that set string. Going to take it from here, take that and insert that into here to start off. Then we're gonna set uh, a variable labeled vowels equal to 0, so it can count the number of iterations that it can count. Um, then we're going to set a loop for one in, let's see, as, let's see, here we go. Then we're going to set an if statement. If one in s, so not s, but if one in, then right here is where I put in the vowels that it needs to detect as well. So it detects the values of A, E, I, O, and U as a string. So A, E, I, O, U, and then right under that, setting the vowels to iterate every single time um, up to 1, so I can count it. And we go to print. Let me see, number of vowels, and we're going to, after we print, yes, after we print the statement, a number of vowels, and right after that, the number of iterations should be able to be printed right here. Let's go ahead and run it. Is it invalid syntax? I forgot my semicolon right there. Yep. Let me see. Why is this happening now? Let me see. There we go. The number of vowels equals 5. It just had an indentation error. Um, so that's problem 1.1. Let me see. Problem 1.2 asks for to use the same exact string, but to use the same exact string, but to detect the string variation of Bob occurring in S, and it should print the number of times Bob occurs is 2. So what we're gonna do is to use the same type of string in this as well. Then we're going to set a variable equal to Bob as being 0, because the count will have to start at 0. And I start with a for statement for I in range, and I is the variable that uses that is going to log the amount of times that Bob is the amount of times that it is logged and what it's looking for. So range len s. Let's see, did I do that right? If I did, the semicolon. I'm gonna create an if statement right here. If s brackets of I plus 3 is how I did it. I plus 3 is equal to Bob. Then let's see, Bob will iterate. Oops, sorry, iterate every 1. Let's see, to make sure that we don't have another error. There we go. I'm gonna print the number. Can't spell correctly, but the number of times that occurs is, then we're going to print that, and then we're just going to insert the variable for Bob, and we're going to run this as well. The number of times that Bob occurs is 2, and those are problems 1.1 and 1.2.